Hello students, welcome in class 2 in maths lecture. Hello children, welcome in class 2 in maths lecture. Today we are going to learn about the comparing numbers. Let's see, today I am going to tell you a story, okay? Do you like to listen a story? Yes, everybody likes to listen a story. Now see here. One day, Rohan and his elder brother had a beat. Rohan. They wanted to find out who is stronger between them, who is more, both of them. Okay. So, here was a Rohan. Here was a Rohan. Okay. And here was his elder brother. Okay. So, what they had decided, just see now. Let's see. One day, Rohan and his elder brother had a beat. Okay. They wanted to find out who is stronger between them, who is more. Both of them stepped on weight machine. So, they stand on the weight machine. Okay. They stood on the weight machine. Rohan's weight was 25 kg. His weight was 25 kg. Rohan. He is a Rohan and his weight was 25 kg. Okay. Whereas his elder brother's weight was 45 kg and his eldest brother's weight was 45 kg. Okay. Now let's see. Now can you tell me who is actually stronger between Rohan and his brother? You can see the picture and compare. Okay. Now, when I ask you this question, what question am I asking? I am actually telling you to compare 25 and 45, which are two numbers. I am telling you to compare the two numbers. Which are two numbers? 25 and 45. Okay. So, which are two numbers? So, I am asking you to compare these two numbers and tell me which number is greater. Now, which number is greater? So, we can understand 25 is a less number and 45 is a greater number. Yes. So, we can compare it easily. Such comparisons, we can make such comparisons every day. In fact, at times we make these comparison several times in a day. So we can see some more examples. Okay. So here you can understand, because this Rohan's weight is 25 kg and his eldest brother weight is 45 kg. So 45 is a greater number. 45 is a greater number. Now some more examples I'm giving over here. Your friend and you have some candies. Your friend has candies. Let's see what I am doing. Okay. One more example I am giving. Your friend and you have some candies. Your friend has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candies. How many candies your friend has? 5 candies. Sorry, you have 5 candies and your friend has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candies. How many candies? 8 candies. Now, so when you always think whether she has more or I have more, it comes in your mind na immediately. When your friend is having, when you are giving this candies to your friend or your friend is having this more candies, what comes in your mind? Immediately comes that whether I am having more or my friend is having more. Yes or no? These questions come in your mind. So you make this sort of comparison. What is that? This is a sort of comparison throughout the day. Throughout the day, so many times this type of examples you can have it in your life. Then when you are watching the TV, at that time also you will be having some more examples in your mind. Who has scored more runs in the cricket match? Yes, that one is also more example. Then who has got more marks in the examination? When exam gets over, then what do? We compare our marks with our friend. Yes or no? So who has got more marks? Whether I have got less or my friend has got less, or I have got more or my friend has got more marks. So we compare with our friends. Okay. Then who has got more chocolates? At your home also, with your brother and sister. Then when your brother is elder and you are small, then what do? Some of you, your elder brother gets less chocolates and you get more chocolates. Then what do? At that time also, you compare those things also, whether you have got more chocolates or your brother has got more chocolates. Yes or no? All sorts of comparisons. So would not be easy if you know how to compare two numbers in a quick way. So I will teach you how to do this in a quick way. Okay. Now let's recall these symbols. Some symbols are there in our study. Let's recall them. Do you recall these symbols? Let's see now which are the symbols are there. Okay. This is greater than symbol. This is greater than symbol. Okay. Number 2 is this is less than symbol. Okay. And third one is this is equal to symbol. Okay. That's it. How many symbols are there? 3. Greater than, less than and equal to. Okay. Okay, now tell me, what do your symbols mean? What do symbols mean? Do you recall the story of evil alligator? Do you know the story of a evil alligator? Evil alligator always used to open his mouth wherever he saw a bigger number. What do a evil alligator do? He always used to open his mouth wherever he saw a bigger number. Okay, he used to open his mouth, and what he used to do? He used to eat it up. Then he used to eat it up. Okay, do you all know the alligator, evil alligator? Do you all know evil alligator? Yes. So I will show you. Okay, this is a evil alligator's picture. Okay, can you see? See, can you see his mouth is open towards the greater number, towards the big number? Yes? Yes or no? So this is a evil alligator. Okay. So now I will show you some more examples. We will do the comparison between the two numbers. Okay. Now let's start. So in this case, now I have 6 and 3. Okay. So in this case, we have 6 and 3. Now between 6 and 3, 6 is a bigger number. So what do evil alligator will do? Evil alligator will open his mouth towards the 6, because 6 is a bigger number. 6 is a bigger number. Yes or no? Towards the 6. So we can see his mouth is open towards the 6. Okay. So which symbol we are going to put? So this is the greater than symbol. This is the greater than symbol. Yes. This is a greater than symbol. Yes. So you can write this, the greater than sign. You can say the sign also to this. Okay. So the greater than sign, we use here greater than sign. On the left side, you can see here, this is a left side and this is a right side. So what do we do? The left, this number, greater number or bigger number, and when we have a bigger number on the left, we use the greater than sign. So this is actually indicated. Okay. So left side, you can see the number left side. Yes, 6 is written left side, so you can indicate it easily. So that greater than sign will come towards the 6. Okay. Now one more example I am giving. 4 and 8. So you can compare these two numbers. Now between 4 and 8, tell me which one is a bigger number, which one is a greater number. You can tell me easily. Yes, who can tell me? Yes, right side. Now right side, and 4 is a smaller number and 8 is a bigger number. So that evil alligator's mouth will open towards the 8. So which is what do we call to this sign? This sign is called less than sign. And how do we read it? 4 is less than 8. Yes, 4 is less than 8. Yes, in this way we read it. And here in this first example, how do we read this? 6 is greater than 3. 6 is greater than 3. In this way we read these sums. Okay. Four less than 8. So this is a sign of less than. Now one more example I am showing here. Now let's see. 10 and 10. So what is the number here? Left side also 10 I have written, and right side also I have written the 10. Now what we will write? Which sign we can use it? Because both the numbers are same. You can compare both the numbers. Okay. So you will find both the numbers are same. Both the numbers are same. In this case, which sign do we have to use over here? The equal to. Which sign you are going to use here? Equal to. Okay. So 10 is equal to 10. How you are going to write this? 10 is equal to 10. Okay. That's great. So when we compare two numbers, we can always count the numbers. Yes, we count the numbers. We can see, we observe it, whether in our mind, but we don't count louder, but we can count it on our mind. Immediately you also counted over here 1, 2, 3. Yes, then in next finger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which one is bigger? Immediately it comes in your mind. Yes or no? So in the same way you have to do this comparison. Okay, now this was about the 1 digit number. We will go to the next. Suppose if you have bigger number, huge number, 3 digit numbers, so will you count all the numbers all the time? Yes, till 3 digit numbers. Suppose you are having 100, 102. So will you count till 3 digit number? No. So we will have some tricks for that to find which one. Let's learn some more tricks to easily find out which of the two given number is the greater number. Okay. So let's find some tricks for comparing 2 numbers and 3 numbers. Okay. Now we will do the comparison between the 2 numbers and 3 numbers. Means 2 digit numbers and 3 digit numbers. Okay. Let's start now. Let's start. The first trick is count the number. See what is the first trick? Count the number with more number. More number. The number with more number of digits is greater. So, when you have two numbers, you first need to count the number of digit in each of the number. And number which has more number of digits will be always greater. This thing you can write afterwards, no need to write with me, okay? Okay, so what is it here? Count the number of digits in each number. The number with more number of digits is greater. So when you have two numbers, you first need to count the number of digits in each of the number, and the number which has more number of digits will you always find greater. Now let's see with example, so you will understand better. Some examples I will show you here. So let's start with the examples. Now here I have number 203 and here I have 99. So in this case what we will do? First of all you have to find out left side. This is a left side. This is a number 203. So you have to see that how many digits are there. So how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. How many digits are there? 3. So you can write it over here. And this is a number 99. This is a 99 number. And how many digits are there? You can see it easily. You can find it out easily. How many digits are there? Only 2 digits. So easily you can find out. So among them, this is a 3-digit number and this is a 2-digit number. So you have to compare which number is a bigger, whether 3 is a or 2. So immediately you can understand 3 is a bigger number. This is a 3-digit number. Yes or no? So this evil alligator's mouth will be open towards the which side? Left side, towards the 203. Okay, like this. Yes. So how you are going to read this sum? How you are going to read? 203 is greater than 99. Yes. Yes or no? So have you understood? This was a first trick. First trick we have used. We have compared and we have count digits. We have count the digits. We have not count the numbers. We have count the digits, whether it is a 2-digit or 3-digit. So easily we can understand it. 1, 2, 3. This is a 3-digit number and this is a 2-digit number. So easily you can understand it. So in a same way of 3-digit number also, I will show you of 3-digit number. Suppose I am having both the numbers of 3-digit. Okay, see here, I have here 498 and 438. Okay, so you can count the digits 1, 2, 3. Here also 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Here also 3. But now you have to see here numbers. Now in hundreds place you have to start from the hundreds place. So here is also number 4 in left side, and here is also number same 4. Both the numbers are same. So what we will do? We will move to the next number in a tens place. We will move to the tens place. Okay. So here is a 9 and here is a 3. You can compare between the 9 and 3. So which one is a bigger over here? So 9. So 9 is a bigger. So what we will do? So that crocodile's mouth will be open towards the 498. Okay. Again the same way, this is open greater than. So this sign is called the greater than. Okay. So that's it about today. Remaining part we will be studying tomorrow. Bye bye, and give the today's test nicely. I am going to share it after some time. So till 8 o'clock it will be open. So give the test nicely. Okay. Bye bye.